Hello everyone. Take some cardboard paper or take this kind of paper and then spread it out, take out a layer of it, make a triangular shape out of it and then stick it onto your circular sheet of paper. Then make it into an ice cream by sticking clay in a triangular shape as such. Do this and make different shapes out of it. Make swirls in some of them and then add icing for some of them. Next, make a roll out of some yellow clay and then follow it up by a greenish sort of shade, that is a greenish blue. After you roll one into the other as such, make it into a circular shape. Now, make multiple of these and then stick them one below the other. Then take a green marker and then make this H shape into it. Add a little bow to it and then take yellow marker and make polka dots all around. Then take a green marker and then make these curved lines to it. Add multiple lines as such, add leaves on either side. Now once you are done with this, take another marker and add dots all around. Take a small purple sheet of paper, crush it up and then add glue to one of the portions and stick them all around. Make them look like lavender or grapes as such. Use a darker shade as you go down. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, then take some fruit foam net, make slits out of it as such. Now arrange it in a circular shape, add a yellow center to each of them. After you are done with this, take a green marker and then add lines to each of them to make the stems. Then draw on the leaf portions of it as well, color it in, add a bee to the top. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, trace out the shape of two of your fingers, that is the ring finger and the middle finger. Around this, draw the shape of a tree, that is the leaves portions. Cut out multiple triangular sheets of green paper and then stick them all around your tree. Color the bottom in brown to make the bark and then draw on grass at the bottom as such. Color it in dark green, add flowers to the bottom. Next, take a brown circular sheet of paper and then draw on a shape. Start off by drawing a cloud shape, then draw the face, the legs, followed by the tail. In the bottom, you may draw on some grass as well. Now, once you are done with this, take a brown or dark black marker and then color in the ears as well as the feet and the tail. Then, take multiple tissue balls, crush it up and then add glue to the body and the top and then stick all of your tissue onto it. Start off by taking a green strip of paper and then add an orange circle to the top. Then take a yellow strip of paper, fold it into half, add them in layers all around your orange strip. Then curve the edges as such, roll them in to make it look like a flower. Next, start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, then take a rectangular red sheet of paper. Roughly cut it up into an oval shape and then using a marker, add some glue on one of the sides and stick it. Do this with different shades. You can also use orange and pink as we have. Stick on some leaves to each of them all around. Thank you for watching.